Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is another paper from May-June 2023, Pure Mathematics paper 1. So let's start. First question we have is from the translations. So we have here two diagrams. You can see here A, B, C and A dash, B dash, C dash. Let's see. The diagram shows the graph y equals to fx, which consists of two lines AB and BC. So this is fx. Okay, and the 8 lines A dash, B dash, C dash, these are for the gx. So this is our gx, right? So which is the result of applying sequence of two transformations. So we are given two transformations here in either order, y equals to fx. We are looking from fx to gx, right? So from fx to gx, state fully the transformation. As you can see, this has been spread out. A and C are spread out. This A and C, it is from here 3 units, from here to here we have from A dash to C dash, this is 6 and this is 3. So scale factor is going to be 6 over 3, that is 2. So that means this is a stretch. So we will write down stretch. This is a stretch along x-axis with scale factor of 2, right? So this is one. The second one, it is a translation. As you can see, this line A is moved 2 units down. So this is a translation. Zero minus 2, right? Now number 2, the function f is defined for x real numbers. Fx is this one, and it's given that fx is greater than 2 for all values x. Find the possible values of c. So let's rewrite this. We have a function. So now let's write it down. Sorry, this is c. Let's write it down as a completed square. So for completed square, I will take this one. This is x minus half of coefficient of x, that is 3 and whole square. Then again the extra that we will have come here from 3. So that is minus 3 squared plus c. So what do we have now? We have x minus 3 squared minus 9 plus c. So now we are given that fx is greater than 2. So we will put the value of fx, which is x minus 3 squared minus 9 plus c, which is greater than 2 here. Sorry. This is greater than 2. So then we will have from here x minus 3 squared plus c, this is greater than 2 plus 9, 9 shifting on other side, this is greater than 11. Now if you see this one here, this is always greater than 0, because it's a square of something. So that means what will be the condition of c? C is always going to be greater than 11. So that will be our final answer. Okay.